Well, you've heard all the women before me that told you about the treatment and the lack of pain, and I follow in suit with that. But what I wanted to talk about is I do have a wonderful result, but Dr. Nichter spoke to me before I had the surgery, and he indicated that it's life-changing, and it is. I retired young with a disability and became kind of lethargic. We lived in Lake Arrowhead, and it's a wonderful resort community, but quiet, and I volunteered for a while. And I realized I still had things to give in life, and I felt a little isolated. And so part of what I decided I wanted to do after having this LiteLift is I was going to go back to work at 68. And so I did. I went back to a company that I had been working for and retired from. And I realized I did have a lot to give, and it did change me inside. You know, you spend time looking in the mirror and it changes quietly. And all of a sudden you realize, I really don't look or feel the same as what I'm seeing in the mirror. Well, after the lift, I felt how I felt inside, and I felt that I had things to give, a lot of life to live, and I wanted to do it in the best condition that I could. And one of the things that I find about aging, and I have an incredible respect for people that are still saying, hey, I'm worth it in their 80s, is that we have more to offer. And what happens, you start carrying yourself differently. Maybe you stand a little straighter. You enter a room, you don't shuffle in like a little old lady. You know, there are a lot of things that change. And I think men do a better job of realistically looking at, what can I do in this investment? Do I buy a new car? Do I redo the bathroom? Women will add an emotional element to it and think that, okay, if we redo the main bathroom, it'll benefit everyone. Well, the reality really is, if you redo and update yourself, everyone benefits, because your attitude is good, your energy level actually improves, and I think you should stop and not think about things for a moment and think about yourself, because you're worth the investment, and it's not even expensive. You know, if you went and you started interviewing other surgeons' offices, you would find that they're extremely reasonable. And then they have the follow-up of the spa to keep what you achieve. And I hope you all go for it. Thank you.